Hi, Mariko from Diamond Deer here. Emeralds are classic. They have been handpicked by royalty for centuries. Very few people understand emeralds, but they happen to be one of the most interesting precious gemstones out there. Emeralds, like all colored gemstones, have no official grade classification. This is why you need to be thorough in your research before purchasing an emerald. One of the unique things about emeralds is that their color varies depending on where they are from. If you like a lighter bluish green emerald like these ones, then you're going to want emeralds from Colombia. Me personally, I love this really dark, intense green hue. These are from Zambia, which is characterized by the really intense, deep green hue. Whether you prefer lighter or darker stones, the choice is yours. Now we're going to share our top tips for purchasing emeralds like a pro. First, understanding the grading system. If you ever see a AA quality emerald, run. We never recommend these emeralds. They don't have the shine or brilliance that we want when purchasing an emerald. And they also have inconsistencies when it comes to color. You'll also find inclusions. An inclusion is a feather-like crack inside the stone. AAA quality emeralds are what we sell on Amazon. You can see it has medium luster, vibrant shade, less inclusions, and are pleasing to the eye. It has no surface cracks, which means it won't break in an accident. These emeralds do have some visible inclusions, which make beautiful patterns. We call them jardins, which is garden in French. And we love these inclusions because they are so beautiful to the eye. A quadruple A quality emerald is what we love and sell exclusively on our site, diamonddeer.com. These emeralds are brilliantly cut, have a gorgeous pure green shade, and exhibit transparency. They are relatively eye clean, which means you can't see the inclusions. This is the same quality you'll find on 5th Avenue or Rodeo Drive. Second, buy an emerald cut emerald. This is important because the rectangular shape brings out the life in the emerald like no other cut can. We recommend choosing a bezel setting or a halo with other diamonds or gems surrounding the emerald. This helps protect it from accidental crashes. And third, select oil-treated emeralds. Oil treatment is a standard industry practice and it won't diminish the value of your natural emeralds. If you want to learn more about emeralds and see all the amazing custom designs we're doing with them, check out our website, diamonddeer.com. Thanks for joining us. We will see you next time.